Alright, so this is my specialized 2017 Ruby Comp Di2, and so I had a stuck seat post. I just cracked it loose minutes ago. So this is the wedge type right here. So it wedges against the seat post, and then this piece here clamps against this piece, kind of like a old school quill stem, creating pressure along this to clamp this inside the frame. So this is day 2. I bought this bike yesterday from a friend, and I could not get the seat post out. I hammered on it. I used boiling water through the holes here for the cage bolts. I used WD-40. I used Coca-Cola, 2 cans of Coca-Cola, and about 3 bottles of boiling water through here with a syringe. And as you can see, there is no corrosion on this S-Works seat post, but it was stuck. So I even tried hammering it out with a screwdriver, a flathead. That didn't work, so I gotta sand that down to try to fix it. And there's the Di2 battery in here, right there.
Oh, hi, Dad.
So here are some of the things that I used today that made it work. So I bought these 2 things to try to loosen it. That didn't do any good. They are strap wrench set. They're rubberized so they don't scratch metal. I used WD-40. I was gonna use freeze off just in case nothing else worked. Got this at an automotive store, but I didn't have to. I used the piston syringe here for the soda to inject the soda pop into the cage bolts, but this is the one that got it loose right here. Blaster, PB Blaster, penetrating catalyst. That's what got it loose. And so I took the seat bolt out. And rode it around without the seat bolt in here. There was no seat bolt because it wasn't coming out no matter what. Wasn't budging. It's not rusted. This bike has only 3,000 miles on it, but the seat post was never adjusted since original installation. So I rode it around with the seat bolt out, totally out, and I flew off a couple curbs. It still didn't budge, and then I decided a fishtail, fixed gear style. So I just did a fishtail, and lo and behold, the saddle started spinning in place, and it broke free. So that's what I did, and it worked. Seized carbon seat post